So here we have our family circus van that we use for trips, for bikes, for karting stuff, for camping. As you can see, the fridge in the middle, solar on the roof, batteries under the seat, and there's a new Butte inverter that we got off my generator that is charging everyone's gimmicks and toys and working like a treat. So thank you very much, my generator and Enerdrive, for making a ridiculously good product. Happy days, even when it's raining like this. As you can see, we've been off-road. Thank you.